All right.
Speaking of rolling.
Welcome back there, folks. Hope it was a quick minute for you. Oops, we don't want the sugar. We want the flour.
Yeah.
All right. So, we'll give a little dusty dust. And let's see. Okay. Nice and stiff. Okay. So now I'm going to just gently, nice and roll this out. Oopsie.
There's a little something for those ASMR folks.
All right, now you don't want to get all pinned down to the table, so you want to keep it moving. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more flour to the surface. Now you don't want to add too much. You just want to keep the surface dry enough that you can pin it and smooth it out. I'm not putting too much pressure on. What I like to do is go over the dough many times with just a little bit of pressure as opposed to a lot of pressure and just going a few times. Okay, and when it splits, you want to just put it back together like that. Okay, so by going over it many more times instead of just a few, then you have more control. We always like control. Okay, I'm feeling to see how thick the dough is. It's perfect right here, but it's a little thick right here. So concentrate on this little spot here, this area. Ooh, that feels good. It's a little thick there. Perfect right here. A little thick right there. All right. Let's go out a little bit like this. And squeeze that out a little more. And we'll call that good. Now notice I'm as rectangular as I can be. Okay, I, pressed it out that way on purpose. So I have my wheel here. Now you can use a French knife or a boning knife if you need to. Okay, just a little whoosh. But if you have a pizza cutter, a wheel,
Makes it a lot easier.
it does make it a lot easier. So you can just do that right there. Okay. Bring my corners in. Boy, that dough just sure does smell good, huh?
Oh my god.
That lemon is just like,
It smells heavenly.
heck yeah. Oh my gosh, wait till it bakes.
Oh, it's going to be banging.
Heck yeah. Okay, so we got some Lucky Leaf Lemon Premium. Okay, it's the can that you buy in the grocery store. All right, so, but I have one that I've already got open, so I'm going to use that up. Anyway, we will. Where's my bag? Okay. Fill up the pastry bag here. I did that on purpose. All right. Set that off to the side. Get that a little twisty. I want to cut the tip off just like so. Leave that off to the side. Now I want to grab an egg. Just going to grab a little bit of this egg white here. And save the yolk. I believe that. Okay, so what I want to do, I got my egg white here. Okay, so now I'm going to just give this a little squeeze. So I got a strip of lemon filling right there. And now I'm going to use my egg white and I'm going to paint it, so to speak, right here in front of the filling. Okay. I'm sure you can see what we're going to do here. Okay, so now give it a flip over and a tuck in, like so. And then I like to give it a flop over. Remember, these are very technical terms, okay? Extremely technical. All right, so now I'm going to, oops. Yeah, we'll just leave that. Okay, I'm going to give it just a little bit more paint. Egg white, excuse me. Like I said, we're very technical. And now, where's my rule? Okay, I'm going to give it a cut. Just like this. Okay. There we go. Give it a nice roll. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful.
That is.
That's what I'm looking for right there, folks. Okay. So you got basically your lemon dough. Okay. With the lemon filling. And now we're going to let this chill. This guy here. So let me pull this off. Let's set this off to the side over here. Okay. Just very gently, I'm going to put it on the pan here. Like so. Okay. Now we got all this. Alright, so I am going to just cut a strip off here like that. Give it a squeeze. Here, I might as well add this to it.
Alright.
Alright. Doesn't need to be perfect. What I'm looking to do is just section off pieces like so. Kind of like I'm making yonkies.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Okay. Let's do another one here. Actually, we're going to do the whole darn thing. Touch of flour because I'm getting a little sticky here. Okay. Now I'm basically making it, I want it to be even. See? And basically, I'll cut them to length as to how big I want them to be. the wider my roll, the thinner it'll be. The narrower it is, the longer the pieces are going to be. See, and I'm looking for something like that. You know, it's about what, a nickel in diameter, you think?
Shy of the size of a golf ball, I would say.
Golf ball? Are you kidding? A golf ball's a lot bigger than that.
Well, shy of it.
A little shy. Come on. A golf ball is like this.
Yeah, that's about a dime, or like about a nickel size.
Yeah, I would say about a nickel. All right, so basically, you want to do one just to get a feel.
Or I'm thinking actually smaller than a ping pong ball.
Firm. All right. There's that. All right. Let's see here. We got any egg white you left? Yeah, a little bit. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Get that all cleaned up. So now, with this other style of the cookie, the log, okay, we're going to spray the paper, okay. Okay, now, okay, so now let me put that down there. Okay, I'm going to line them up. There we go. Let's do it like this. There we go. So we got 3, and then these are a little different. Okay, so now what I want to do is take what's left of my egg white here. And I want to paint the tops here. Okay? I want to be nice and generous with it. Just like so. You want the whole thing to be good and wet. Okay? And before it dries out, you want to put some sprinkles on. That's what we're going to do next here. Okay, so let's get these guys going.
Oh, I love the color of the popping there.
Oh, yeah. These are called nonpareils. They're the little balls, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm very partial to these. I like the way they look. I like them a lot more than Gimettes. There's also other different sprinkles that are different shapes and so on that are really cool. There's different specialty ones, but these are my go-to. They always look good. Okay. And when you mix different colors together, that looks pretty cool too. Let's do a couple of white ones. Doesn't that look good?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. All right. So I make apricot cookies that look like this. Usually for those ones, I give them the rainbow sprinkles.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so first thing I want to do is cut the end off. and put it on the edge there. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in about this far. Okay. And then just drop all three right there. Okay, now, I'm certainly not going to bake them like that. We need to separate them, because the more you touch them, the more they lose their shape. Okay? These are ready to go in the oven. And likewise, so are the bowls. Okay? Normal baking temperature. I will set my oven at 290. We're going to go with 8 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other side, just like usual. And we will be back shortly with some nice warm cookies coming out of the oven. So stay tuned.